If you're creating videos for your service-based business, you're probably creating videos to help your clients, to build brand awareness, or to showcase how awesome your services are. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Paigon, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 B-roll footage ideas you can use for your service-based business. I've also created a list of B-roll ideas for service-based businesses. You can get that from my description box down below. Okay, let's get to it. The first type of B-roll footage you can use for your business is for how-to videos or tutorials. You'll probably use this to show your audience how to use your service or teach them how to do something that's complementary to your service in some way. The best way to show them how to use your service or whatever you're teaching them is to actually cut away to showing you actually doing it. For example, in the video I created on how to create default descriptions, I tell you about how I created a Google Doc. Well, I cut to the Google Doc I created to show you what I'm talking about. The next type of B-roll footage you can use is to help you build brand awareness. If you're a small business or if you're doing things solo, you can use this footage to showcase the behind the scenes of your work environment or just to show yourself in general. For example, you can use footage of your employees working or yourself working behind the scenes, or if you're building a personal brand, you can actually use footage of your personal life as it pertains to the video. Like if I was talking about my business, I could cut away to show footage of me working, like this video right here, except of myself. Or if I was building a personal brand or a brand where I was like BFFs with my audience and open about my life, then I could cut away to footage of my actual personal life, like me hanging out outside with friends, family, things like that. The last type of B-roll footage you can use is for showcasing your services. For example, if you're a brand designer, you can show behind the scenes of your client work, or you can actually show the tools that you use for your services. Like if I was talking about choosing colors for a brand, then I could showcase images of color swatches. Those were the 3 B-roll footage ideas you could use for your service-based business. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see the latest videos. If you want a list of B-roll ideas for your service-based business, then you can grab it in my link down below in the description box. Until next time, bye!